Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks for getting started making one of the projects from my brand new book, 24 Crochet Hats, Interesting Techniques and Inclusive Sizing for Men, Women, Children, and Babies. Let's get started. These are the Abigail, Mommy, and Me hats. These beautiful hats are simple to make and coordinate well together. Each one is made in a different weight yarn with a different gauge. They make an adorable Mommy and Me gift set, but are great as standalone hats too. To make the baby hat, you will need one ball of Biso baby yarn and a size F5 crochet hook, and to make the larger adult version you will need Biso tender yarn and a J10 or 6mm crochet hook. I'll be showing you how to make the baby hat in this tutorial. This hat is a top-down construction and it begins with the crown. We start by tying our yarn to our crochet hook. You may tie your knot in any way that works for you. I like a square knot, and we're going to start with a chain 5. Slip stitch to the 5th chain from your hook to form a ring. Round 1 begins with a chain 6, which counts as a double crochet chain 3. Then in the ring, you're going to work double crochet chain 3 7 times. A double crochet is yarn over your hook. Insert your hook in the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and chain 3. You want to work double crochet in the ring chain 3 7 times, then slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 6 to join. The end of round 1, you should have 8 chain 3 spaces. Round 2 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch. Then in the next double crochet, we're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet. That's 3 double crochet. Chain 5 and 3 double crochets, all in that same stitch. And then single crochet in the next double crochet. So our repeat for this round is 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet in the next double crochet, and then single crochet in the next double crochet. And you want to repeat that all the way around, and on your last repeat, replace the last single crochet with slip stitch to the 1st single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. Round 3 begins with a chain 7, which counts as a treble crochet chain 3. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches and then double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches and treble crochet in the next single crochet. Treble crochet is yarn over twice, insert your hook in the specified single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You want to repeat from this chain 3 around. So our repeat is chain 3, skip 2 stitches, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 5 space, chain 3, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and treble crochet in the next single crochet. You want to repeat that all the way around, and on the last repeat, you want to replace the last treble crochet with slip stitch to the 4th chain of the beginning chain 7, and that's the treble crochet equivalent of that chain 7 space. Round 4 begins with a chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, and then we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 5, 3 double crochets, all in that same stitch. So it's 2 doubles, chain 5, and 3 more double crochets in that same stitch. Okay, and then single crochet in the next double crochet. In the next single crochet, work 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet. Single crochet in the next double crochet. And so our repeat for this round is to work 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet in the next treble crochet, single crochet in the next double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet in the next single crochet, and single crochet in the next double crochet. You want to repeat this all the way around and then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. Round 5 begins with slip stitching into each of the next 2 double crochets and slip stitching into the chain 5 space, then chain 1 and single crochet in that same chain 5 space. Chain 3, and then we're going to work a double crochet 2 together over the next double crochet and then skip the next 2 double crochets, single crochet and 2 double crochets, or skip the next 5 stitches and work the second leg of the double crochet 2 together in this double crochet here. So let me show you what I mean. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to skip the next 5 stitches, which are double, double, single, double, double. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the next double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on our hook. That's double crochet 2 together, and we worked it over this stitch, then skipped 5 stitches and worked it over this stitch. Chain 3 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. Our repeat for this round is chain 3, double crochet 2 together over the first and 7th stitches of that 7 stitch section. So it's the first double, skip the next 5, then the next double, chain 3 and single crochet in the next chain 5 space. You want to repeat that all the way around, then replace your last single crochet with a slip stitch to the first single crochet at the beginning of the round to join. As you can see at the end of round 5, our walls are starting to grow, and we're done with the crown, and we're done with our increasing rounds, and the rest of the rounds are going to be creating the walls of the hat. So you will start to see that it curls up on itself at this point when you're making the baby hat. So then round 6 starts with a chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we're going to work 2 double crochets, chain 5, 3 double crochets in that same stitch. And then we're going to work a single crochet in the double crochet 2 together stitch from the previous round. Our repeat for this round is 3 double crochet, chain 5, 3 double crochet in the next single crochet, and then single crochet in the next double crochet 2 together stitch. And you want to repeat that all the way around, then slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 at the beginning of the round to join. You want to continue working rounds 5 and 6 for the desired length of your hat, and then make sure that you end on a round 5 before starting the edging. Regardless of what size hat you're making, I want to show you how we're going to be making the edging. And so for the edging, we're going to be working starting with the chain coming off from the base of the hat, then working back and forth in rows along the side of the hat and joining to the hat every other round until we make it all the way around. So you're changing direction on the brim. So that didn't make sense in the pattern, I thought showing it here on the video might help. So the edging begins with a chain 7, and we're going to single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then in each chain across. Then we're going to slip stitch into the next chain 3 space on the last round of the hat. Turn our work, and now skipping that chain that we just made, work single crochet through the back loop only in each stitch across for row 2. So that should be 6 single crochets through the back loop only. Then row 3 begins with a chain 1, turn your work, and we'll skip that chain 1 of course, and work a single crochet through the back loop only in each stitch across, which is 6 stitches. And then we're going to slip stitch into the next chain 3 space on the last round of the hat. So you're going to repeat this all the way around, working 1 row of single crochet through the back loop only this direction, then turning your work and working 1 single crochet through the back loop only in each stitch across this way, and then at the end of the rows that go in this direction, you'll slip stitch into the next chain 3 space to join this little strip of crochet to the hat as we go. Pretty cute, huh? And then once you make it all the way around, we'll simply seam together the beginning of this row with the last row. For more detailed information on the hat, including all the sizes and all the detailed charts and written instructions, please follow the links in the video description for more information on the book, 24 Crochet Hats, and on the individual pattern, the Abigail hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. And everything we talked about today is linked in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.